I'll take the eyelashes and put them here. Yeah, this is what I mean by hassle free. So you didn't really have to struggle like, oh, Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and my name is Daniel. In case you're new here, feel free, feel at home, feel welcome, and don't forget to hit the subscription button down there. So today I am here and I am really excited. So finally we are monetized. The most important thing I want to tell you guys, yeah, excuse my hair first. Yeah, the most important thing I want to tell you guys is that in case you see an ad coming on the video, please don't skip. Yes, yo, I want money as well. See an ad on the video, please don't skip it, please, so that I can get paid and I can get to bring you more content. And thank you very much for all the support that you have always been giving me. I really thank God, and may you be blessed abundantly kabisa. So in another news again, I said that this video I'll be bringing you my products. Yeah, my products. I said I started my brand, and the main things on my brand are the eyeshadow and the magnetic eyelashes. So here are the products, guys. So here, this is the eyeshadow palette, and these are the magnetic eyeliner. These are literally eyelashes, not eyeliners. What's wrong with me? And I am also going to tell you the prices. And yeah, I am doing them affordably because I also need you guys to also like look really nice in them. And affordability and quality, and I really thank God for, whoa, my customers have been so amazing, and most of them, okay, I've gotten most of my customers mainly through referrals, and I've not gotten any complaints so far, and people are really loving the magnetic eyelashes. The good thing about them is that they're hassle free, no this, no that. So here are the, oh yeah, so it's just Zach Daniel and then collection, and then my brand is all about women stuff. So our motto is all things women. So this is the brand here, it's called Zach Daniel collection. Then you have all things women. So down here they're written magnetic eyeliner, no, magnetic eyeliner, and yeah, eyelashes. So basically this package here comes with let me show you. Yeah, it comes this way, and there are different, or this type 1, and then this is type 2, and then this type 1. This one comes like this, like the whole of this I'm selling it at $10. So why specifically magnetic eyelashes? So many a times people really struggle to like put on struggle to put on eyelashes. So the reason why I started it is because I was facing the same, and I'm seeing, yeah, this one's here, like with the magnetic eyelashes, you don't really have to struggle, oh glue, oh this has fallen or that, no. So this package really comes like this, and it goes for $10. That is 1,000 Kenyan shillings. So it comes these 3 different pairs of lashes, and then you have your magnetic eyeliner here, and then you have this holder that you use to like stretch it out and just to align it. So this, all of this comes for, like, you purchase it at 1,000 shillings, which is $10. Yeah, so the good thing about this, it's hassle free, it saves you time, you don't really need any skills on it, and they're also reusable. The good thing also is that the box here comes with the instructions at the back, and that's what I love about this. Like, no need for glue, no nothing. So if you've never worn lashes, even me never used to do them, So nowadays you see me because of this. Yeah, the magnetic eyelashes have really enabled me to be putting on lashes. So when I want to slay and slay and slay, you won't tell me, oh, this is you, this is you. Ah! So when I'm telling you like the eyelashes are really what is it called, hassle free, this is what I mean. So this is the eyeliner that comes with it. You can't really use another type of eyeliner, you just have to use the magnetic eyeliner. So it's a special eyeliner that comes with the eyelashes, which really enables you to put it easier. So you can't use glue on these lashes, it has to come with this one so that you're able to use them. So let's do this as I'm trying to tell you like how, like I am telling you what it means to really do them easily, and you don't really need any skills for them. Yeah, so this is here. I'll try put it here on. Yeah, there. Then I'll close it. This is mine. And then here we come. I'll take the eyelashes and put them here. Yeah, this is what I mean by hassle free. So you didn't really have to struggle like, oh, no, like you just have to put the eyelashes, like the eyeshadow. You have to put the eyeliner, which really comes to this in this pack, and then you just put it. Just make sure you follow the instruction at the back of the box, and then you do it here. So if you want to remove them, they're not even hard as well. Yeah, it's stuck now, so you're able to remove them. They don't fall off, that one I can assure you, because they'll be dry and all that. So this one you're able to remove it. So our second thing here is this one, the eyeshadow, the Zac Daniel collection eyeshadow. I will show you how it looks, and I really love this about the packaging and all that. So it comes like this. So this is the packaging here. It's here. Home. No. Bing. Bang. Bang. So let's open it. Oh. Whoa. 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 Wow. It's always a good time. It's never a dull moment. It's never a dull moment with Zac Daniel collection. Oh, yes. Just see this. Like, see this. All the colors. I love everything about the colors. They're shimmer. They're matte. They're glitter. Like, here, guys. This goes for 2,000 shillings. So I will show you some of the colors and how they look like. This one is 2,000 shillings for 35 colors. Okay, I'll try to show you some of the colors. I'll use the tester eyeshadow here. I have a tester, it's here. And yeah, next video I'll do a review on them. Yeah, so in case you have any comment, like, you can share your thoughts down there. Let me know what you think about my products. And in case you need to inquire about something, just feel free to comment down there and I will answer. I literally answer almost all the comments. Yeah, so here it is. I'll use the tester to just, guys, I'm going to show you. This is the eyeliner. So these are the colors. Yo, let me try a blue. Whoa. What is wrong with you guys? So what are you waiting for? Just place your order up there. Like, no, place your order down there on the comment section, and I literally drop it to you by myself. I deliver by myself. Yeah, that's how I care about my clients. So what are you waiting for? Quality, guys. Quality. Which one else do I take? Okay, I'll try another color. Let's do a red one. So guys, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's happening? What's bothering you people? Yeah, so you can place your order down there. And yeah, thank you very much for always supporting me, and God bless you in every way you support me. Please remember to watch the ads, and the next video I'll do how and why I really started this product. So in case you're interested and you need them, holla at me. Holla. Yo, boom, bang, bang. I still have other products like paintings. I'll show you the paintings. Yeah, at the end of this video I'll show you other products that I have: the paintings, the human hair, like the bundles, 3 bundles and closure. They all come together: 14 inches, 16 inches, 18 inches, and closure. They come all together at 12,000 Kenyan shillings, or $120. Can you guys imagine? So what are you waiting for? Human hair is really good for you. Human hair, you can dye it, you can tongue, you can blow dry, you can do anything for it, and it can last you for 5 years or more. So why not save money? Yo. So that's it for today, and thank you very much guys for always supporting me, for always watching, and may the Almighty bless you exceedingly abundantly above all your expectations. Amen. So yeah, bye bye.